How does cell regeneration work? Today on Research Explored, we'll take you to the fascinating world of cells to understand how they regenerate and what impact this process has on our health and lifespan. Did you know that your body is constantly renewing itself thanks to this mechanism? We are going to discover how cell regeneration works and what factors affect it.
What is cellular regeneration? Cellular regeneration is the process by which the body's cells renew or repair themselves. This happens constantly in our bodies to keep our tissues healthy, repair damage, and replace old or dead cells. Without this process, our wounds wouldn't heal, our organs would stop working correctly, and our bodies couldn't adapt to changes in the environment. Simply put, cellular regeneration is what keeps our bodies alive and working, like an automatic maintenance system. How does cellular regeneration occur? This process depends on cell division, where one cell divides to form new cells. This happens in two main stages. First, stem cells play a crucial role. These special cells have the ability to transform into any type of cell that the body needs, like skin, muscle, or bone cells. Think of them as your body's universal spare parts. Second, specialized cells divide to replace damaged or worn-out cells. For example, in the skin, cells regenerate approximately every 28 days, while in the liver, this process can take weeks or months, depending on the damage. Examples of cellular regeneration in the body. The human body has different capacities to regenerate its tissues. Skin, for example, is one of the fastest tissues to regenerate. Every time you get a cut or scrape, your skin cells work quickly to close the wound and restore the protective barrier. The liver is another fascinating example. Even if you lose up to 75% of your liver due to injury or surgery, it can regenerate almost completely. This organ is unique in its ability to restore its size and function. On the other hand, there are tissues that have very little regenerative capacity, like the nerve cells in the brain and spinal cord. When these cells are damaged, the body cannot easily repair them, which can lead to serious problems like paralysis or memory loss. Factors that affect cellular regeneration. Cellular regeneration doesn't always work the same way. It's influenced by several factors such as age, genetics, diet, and lifestyle. With age, this process slows down. That's why wounds take longer to heal and skin loses elasticity. Genetics also plays an important role, since some people have a greater natural capacity to regenerate tissues. Diet and lifestyle are factors we can control. Eating foods rich in antioxidants like fruits and vegetables can help protect cells from damage. Getting enough sleep, avoiding chronic stress, and exercising also promote healthy cellular regeneration. Regeneration is not exclusive to humans. Some animals have amazing regenerative abilities. For example, salamanders can regenerate legs, tails, and even parts of their hearts. This phenomenon has inspired research in regenerative medicine, looking for ways to replicate these abilities in humans. In laboratories around the world, scientists are studying how to stimulate cell regeneration in human tissues. These advances could revolutionize the treatment of diseases, injuries, and aging.
Cellular regeneration is one of the most incredible processes in our bodies. Thanks to it, our wounds heal, our organs function, and our bodies maintain balance. Now that you know how it works, what do you think of this fascinating mechanism? Had you imagined everything that happens inside you every second? Leave us your comments and share this video with someone who wants to learn more about the human body. Don't forget to subscribe to Research Explored to keep exploring the secrets of science and biology. See you in the next video.
Investigación, explora sin final. Caminamos sin cesar por el